Well, hi. This is all about the normalization. Remember that there are additional normal forms beyond the BCNF, right? Like fourth normal form, fifth normal form, sixth normal form. These normal form addresses more complex dependencies and anomalies that may arise in the certain scenarios, right? But 90 to 95% of the times, if you normalize still BCNF, that is okay. You will work properly with the database structure. Your database structure is well optimized in that case, right? But in some more complex cases, you might need to go for the fourth, fifth, sixth normal form. I highly recommend you should take an overview of that. And whenever time comes or whenever you confront with that situation, you can implement those normal forms in your database structure. But as far as 90 to 95% of the requirements, this much understanding of the normalization is well enough. And here our normalization topic ends. If you have any queries, questions, write down in the comment box. Right? I hope you have enjoyed the normalization. Thank you.